empowering you in the kitchen every week with 3 more recipes. We've got some great recipes here. Nice and colorful, I like it. Amy is actually out this weekend. She is catching a show with her aunt, which is awesome. So I took the liberty of cooking these dishes today. And let me go through these for you real quick. Starting with this first one, which I know is gonna be amazing. I've been nibbling on the butternut squash. That's what you see here. Butternut squash with some chicken, and underneath is cheese, tortellini, and Brussels sprouts. And basically we cook the chicken first. Actually, no, we roasted the butternut squash and the Brussels sprouts. And while that's roasting, we got the chicken going and the tortellini boiled, and then you put it all together at the end. A little bit of butter and garlic and fresh thyme brings it all together. And look at that, it's just such a beautiful dish right there. Can't wait to sink my teeth into that one. That is gonna be the dish to make this week, I think. Over here, we've got an amazing soup. We've made this soup in the past, but we changed it up a little bit. I think we added a lot more veggies. We got some broccoli in here. As you can see by the color, this has some turmeric in there too, which is great for the body. Some people may call this a detox soup. I'm not going to call it a detox soup. It's just a good, clean recipe. We use bone broth in here. We've got carrots, celery, broccoli, and red pepper, and some onions. And then we added some garbanzo beans in as well. And before we did all that, we did cook up some chicken and shred it. And so once you get the chicken made and shred up the chicken, add your veggies, put the chicken back in, bring it to a boil, and we just added the broccoli at the end. When it turns this awesome green, that's when you know it's done. And then over here, we have a citrus beef that we're making in the crock pot. Let me go over this here real quick. We've got some cilantro lime rice, which is always our favorite, jasmine rice here, with lime zest in there while it cooks. Add the cilantro and the juice at the end. I wanted asparagus. Amy wanted green beans, so obviously you can make it your own right here. And then coming over to the crock pot, we have got a 2-pound roast in here with a white onion, and we got the zest of a lime and an orange in there, as well as some ginger, thyme, and some other spices. But we're gonna let this kind of simmer and cook on low for about 6 hours, actually 5 hours, and then we're gonna pull it apart, let it soak in the juices for the last hour. We made that before. It's in our database. We had to bring it back out, and it's a great slow cooker recipe as it's supposed to get cold, but it is not cold. It's like getting up to 80 degrees today. It's so crazy here in Texas. We get lows and we get highs, extreme lows, extreme highs, all in one season. So guys, let us know what you love. Definitely check out these dishes. This citrus beef is awesome. Actually, all these dishes are awesome. So guys, let us have a great weekend. Let us know what you love, and always recommend some recipes to us. All right, take care. Bye-bye.